Hi Gemini, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at the energies that are in front of me. I'm going to see the tarot cards for you. I have taken out your spread and prayed for the sun sign, moon sign, and rising sign, the collective of Gemini, people having substantial Gemini energy in their chart. And I have clarified your initial tarot spread to understand what is coming to you in this time period. So in your environment at this time is Four of Pentacles. You are in a very defensive energy, whether it is your general life or whether it is your financial situation. You could be getting by and you are trying to control everything with a conservative attitude. You are not spending extra, you are trying to keep what you have. And in terms of your general family life, you do not want the apple cart to tip. So you are basically trying to hold on to situations and keep the status quo in a situation that is changing fast or that is going through an upheaval. So there is something which you are scared of, or you are in a situation where you are caught in some kind of upheaval, unrest, or maybe some kind of problem in and around you, and you have this you are trying to work with your gut instinct. You could be also in two minds regarding something, or this is if it is in your personal life, you are trying to not respond to someone. You could be in a situation where you cannot respond or someone is not responding, and that is making you all the more status quo. It is keeping you in some kind of position where you don't want to imbalance yourself. So this is a good energy. This is a good energy because an upheaval of some sort is happening or has happened. The tower has happened. With the high priestess energy, the best approach that you could muster from inside of you is that to stay in some kind of conservatism, not take initiative, because you have gone through some setback or a sorrow period. So basically you'll be showing strength energy in this time period. So the strength energy is digging in into a situation where you stand your ground, you try to hold back, or you try to keep your patience, and you are brave. So you can show bravery as well, but not recklessly, but after thinking about it. And with the Ace of Swords in this time period, you will cut through the shadows or fears in your life. So basically there is a Eight of Swords situation, there is a Nine of Swords situation this week. So tower is happening around you, sadness is there, but to keep away from or keep it at bay, you are going to show your strength. So unnecessary anxiety could be happening one day in this week, or there could be fear of something. It could be a job which you want to accomplish and you feel that you are not good enough. So there could be a self-doubt energy with the Eight of Swords, but this is all in your mind. So air energy is your energy, Gemini, and it is all in your mind. You are scared unnecessarily, so show your strength in this period. So some of you could be going through some medical problems, some of you could be going through some external problems of upheaval, some of you could be going through an upheaval in your family or love situation, but angels are asking you to remain stoic, compassionate, and you will be able to get through this with a lightning strike. That is, you will see your correct path, and you will be able to find the correct way, and that is going to give you a victory over your situation. With the Six of Wands and with the Six of Swords, any difficulty that you were going through, you are going to cross over from that. So if you were stuck in some foreign country, or if you are stuck in some issue in your life, a travel is not taking place, maybe the promotion is not coming, maybe that lover you are waiting for is not able to reach you, so whatever may be happening in this time period, hold your horses, show your strength in this, and patience, and the light will come to you, the epiphany will happen. And with the success card of Six of Wands, you will get over this issue with a victory, and with the Six of Swords, you will be given a right to safe passage towards your peace. So basically, peace of mind will come back to you. For many of you, there is a situation where you are holding on to something which is going to change very soon. So unexpectedly, there could be a Fool and the World card. So World card and the Fool could be collaboration with an Aquarius. It could be showing a strength with an Aquarius. You could be dealing with a Leo. You could be dealing with other air signs like Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. You will be taking some time regarding this. So you are going to proactively think about it, and you are going to let things happen, or let things come back to normal on their own. Angels are asking you to rest and recharge. Do not run your mind too much. There is going to be an ending of the turmoil situation, and there will be a new situation coming in which is unknown to you or your collective. So the best approach is to remain practical about this issue, or take help from a person, or you could be worried about a person who lives away from you. So with the Two of Wands, this could be either a person you are thinking about, you want to reach them, or this could be they are asking you, the angels are asking you to remain practical and caring about what you want to achieve. You will have to take a certain amount of risk in this time period to move to your preferred destination, move to your preferred goal, or prospect for it, wait for it, and things will happen for you. So there will be more than one option for you, and you have to get out of your comfort zone. So whatever may be the thing, I am addressing everything generally, so fix it with what is on your mind. In terms of your job, this is very specific. You are in a good situation with the Nine of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. People could be collaborating, friends, family, or colleagues are collaborating. However, you are very secure on your own. You are self-reliant. You are doing well for yourself. You have enough to be gratified about. So basically, there is an initial situation which is going to find a foundation, and with the help of others you can get recognition as well. You are very smart with the Queen of Swords energy. This is a feminine air side. This is, very leader like, someone who knows what they want, someone who also sees beyond their current situation. So you are in the Queen of Swords energy with the Magician and the Judgment card. What I am seeing is a deadline call regarding a manifestation is coming in your career. So some of you have been introspecting or waiting for something to happen. The Magician, it is your ruling planet as well, Gemini. It is the energy of Mercury. This is coming to you connecting, contacting, expressing, and making things happen and manifesting them with the energy of also quick appraisal about your situation. So there is going to be a deadline situation where you are going to use your magic which is within you, and that is what is going to make you achieve or make you succeed with the Three of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles. So you are going to achieve in this time period, Gemini. That is what I am seeing with your approach of careful planning, strategizing, and also your logical energy of being diplomatic as well as honest. So in terms of your love life, you are going to get attracted, or there is someone coming towards you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, someone is coming in with some charm. There is going to be, however, an ending of a situation in your love life. So something is changing in your love life to make a new path in your love life. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces definitely around you, or a Scorpio or a Aries energy could be around you. So you are going to get some love in this time period, and that is going to give you the energy of Nine of Cups. This is all about getting wish fulfillment in a situation for which you have worked hard. So there is Seven of Pentacles. So you have accumulated some time with someone, and this person is going to show you love, bring in their energy of loving. There is a new start for some of you, or a renewal of a situation because of an ending, and that is going to give you your happiness in your love life. So basically, some of you could be going through a trapped situation, and that was causing you misery. But in this time period, you can also achieve the distant horizon. So distant horizon can mean that something that you have looked for can come to you in this time period, and you have been looking far and wide, and this opportunity or this connection or this person is coming to you. You have gone through the energies of being stuck. You have gone through, or you are going through the energies of being stuck or having less in this time period. So courtship will happen. You will connect with new people. This could be your dreams coming true. This could be also a privileged lady in your life, or you could be the privileged lady, or someone, a friend or a younger person, niece, nephew. They could be lady or gent, but there is that kind of energy which is of a privileged one, which is coming to give you some support at this time period. So your energy by the end of this week is departures from situations uh, that have kept you stuck. So with the Knight of Wands, you will be moving very fast. You could be having new propulsion towards your targets or purpose, and this is someone, the Knight of Wands is someone who pursues their passion. For some of you, this can be simply a movement away from stuck places or situations, and this could be moving towards a new direction. And with the Seven of Cups, the options will open up and the sticky situations will go away. So what is your energy? The angels are asking you to accept the energy of arrow. This means surround yourself with protective energy. So there may be skirmishes, problems, fighting, disagreement, changes which are surprising that are happening. Angels are asking you to seek help from people who are positive. They are asking you to be in a protective environment. They are asking you to protect yourself from energies that could be targeting you through your emotionally, mentally, or physically. So be careful about the surroundings, and take shelter. That is what they are saying. Take shelter in a protective environment, or be with protective people. So this is your energy, Gemini. If you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulty can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted. So contact me through the email ID in the description box, and I will, once you write to me, I will reply to you for the appointment, etc. And till then, till your next reading, this is bye from my side. Keep watching Tarot Priestess 1313. This is a channel which will keep posting your readings weekly and monthly. Bye bye.